IBS our permanent companion of life? Most people think this. And it's really hard to believe when somebody says that he or she has healed her IBS. It looks like a joke. How can he, man? It's not possible. The truth is, yes, you can say like it's not 100% possible. Guess what? I asked a question in many groups which are having IBS people. I asked this question that what is your most dreaded symptom which you experience while in IBS? Is it diarrhea? Is it constipation? Is it flare? Is it gas, bolting? Is it pain? Is it lightheadedness? Or is it starvation? So there were few symptoms I listed down, 9-10 symptoms, and I was asking, what is your most dreaded symptom? Most of the answers were around diarrhea. And diarrhea, having diarrhea anytime. Like they eat something and they feel like having diarrhea. So I would say that this is the most dreaded symptom in IBS. And if a person is able to heal this diarrhea problem, then definitely 50 to 60% of his fears will go. He will be able to have that energy to overcome all those symptoms. That's what I believe. I have previously many times shared my story. IBS cannot go or disappear like anything. It will start, then it will gain its peak, then person gets aware, but sometimes it happens that the symptoms remain persistent in a person for years and years, and that's how the person loses hope, like, oh, is it for lifelong? And for me, now when this diarrhea is not even present, God grace, I would say, I still, morning I wake up and it's like, oh man, what I'm feeling good, or I'm feeling the same old feeling and the same old feeling, and then I feel, no man, I'm feeling absolutely fine. And that's when I say beating IBS is all about, hey man, Rajkumar, beating IBS is all about beating your diarrhea symptoms. It may be 9-10 symptoms you might be having, but you need to address your diarrhea. And once the diarrhea goes, you will have the confidence, or you can build up that energy. Hey Rajkumar, nice to see you. So if you build that energy to have that diarrhea controlled, then you can knock off. Yeah, hello. Hope you're good. Then you can knock off all the rest symptoms slowly. And even to live a life with 65 or 70% healing is not bad. If a person is suffering from everyday diarrhea, then he needs to be concerned, because that can cause all those 9-10 symptoms very severe. But if you have your diarrhea healed, and if you have your diarrhea anytime healed, then most of the other symptoms you can wipe off slowly from your life. And definitely there are many programs which can be done to wipe off. But first focus should be to have that life diarrhea free. And once you become that diarrhea free life, your fear goes. And as soon as fear goes, your mind starts creating different energy. You remember, if you watch a movie which is absolutely horror, and you are watching it alone in a night, as soon as the light goes and if you are alone, what is the first thing that will come into your mind? You tell me. If you are watching a really horrible or horror movie, and as you are alone and light goes off and you have to go in some dark place, then what is something which will come to your mind without any reason? And it will not come into your mind, it will keep coming into your mind. You will see. So that is fear. Our existence start with first emotion of fear, because via this fear emotion we are able to control our existence, this life. That's why people say we have to overcome fear, but actually fear is something which is very natural and it cannot go so easily. That's why IBS is difficult to heal but not impossible to heal, because most people are working on treating their other symptoms, maybe flare, maybe bolting, maybe gas. But if you don't have diarrhea healed, then your rest symptoms won't go. And if your diarrhea is healed, then your rest symptoms you don't care about, man. You can build that energy so strong that those symptoms can be removed slowly. And I can help you with that. But if you are the person who is having constant diarrhea problem, diarrhea anytime problem, then you need to really be concerned, because that makes life hell. That really makes life hell. Because a person, if he is having diarrhea, then definitely he won't eat. He or she will starve. And once starving starts, then cramping, bolting, and constipation starts. And when these start, then flare starts, then your pain starts, then your laziness starts, then concern about your looks, and everything starts. So this is about healing the IBS-C. Hey Gaurav, hi. So I would say that complete healing of IBS is not possible in simple steps. First, a person need to focus on killing his IBS diarrhea. And if you are not having the diarrhea symptoms, boss, you are lucky, really lucky. Then you should, what's stopping you? You can easily kill all other symptoms. But if you're the person who is having constant diarrhea, what about the constipation problem? Okay, the constipation problem is something, bring them on camera. What you're saying, Gulam? Okay, the constipation problem is, Raj, is about your most of the times the food or the fiber intake, or maybe, hey Praveen, thank you, maybe the intake of your food, like your metabolism is not working in that way. It's little bit sluggish. So you need to work on energizing your metabolism, okay? And once your metabolism is energized, then you can hit this constipation problem. If you're not having diarrhea problem, Rajkumar, it is not a problem state. Yes, it can cause lot of gas and bolting, but do you follow routine in your life, or you have something which is okay, 7 months. Okay. So what are your symptoms, Gulam? Are you having constipation, or you are having diarrhea, or you are having everyday diarrhea or anytime diarrhea? Rajkumar, can you help me with your answer? Like, what are your current food habits? Do you take enough fiber? Do you take enough water? Do you have salads in your diet? Do you have any other things, like do you eat fruits too much, or like what is the going ratio? Like you say that constipation, so how many times you try in a day and clear your bowels? Gulam, you need to tell me that what is your exact symptom. Is it diarrhea? Is it constipation? What are your current symptoms? And based on it, I was focusing, like, IBS becomes hell if a person suffers from diarrhea too much. because that induces everything. The rest of the symptoms automatically are part of those diarrhea induced fear. Constipation, bolting, gas, flare, whatever, these symptoms are induced by the diarrhea. But if you are the person who is lucky, yeah, diarrhea is the first symptom. So that's why I'm talking here about killing IBS is not easy completely, but killing the diarrhea in IBS is going to help you a lot. Now, how to do that is series of steps. That's why I do a webinar on each Sunday, 1 to 2 p.m., 1 hour webinar, and I explain there how you can heal your IBS diarrhea. So maybe Gulam, you want to join that Zoom meeting, I will send you the link. There we can discuss about your diarrhea. But overall for IBS, it's about 9 to 10 symptoms I have discussed, and most people who are really lucky, they don't have diarrhea. Hey Vishal, thank you for watching. They don't have diarrhea, then definitely they are much ahead and they can be easily worked on to kill the constipation in them. I say that I'm 80 to 85%. Yeah, no medicine will work for diarrhea because they are most suppressing medicines, Gulam. They will suppress, and once you stop eating them, then again your symptom will appear. Okay, so it's not the problem about the medicines. English medicines, you are lucky man, because at least some of your diarrhea symptoms are getting controlled. If these medicines were not there, then you won't be able to heal your diarrhea. But there is a more better way. Yes, I agree to that. Like, you cannot keep eating this. Hey Vishal, thank you man, thank you very much. So you are too amazing also man, thank you. So I was telling to Gulam, like, you cannot depend upon these medicines forever. So in order to heal your diarrhea, you need to work on, and once you there is some cycle, there is a long cycle, and at least it will take some time. And I'm saying that nothing has a quick solution when it comes to IBS treating the diarrhea. So you join that webinar. We will discuss on Sunday 1 to 2 p.m. I will send you the link. Coming to Rajkumar, actually I eat normal foods like rice, bread, curry, meat, more like Asian food. So do you have alcohol problem, Rajkumar? Do you smoke? Do you have any other kind of habits which are like not very clean, unclean kind of habits do you have? Or like you have some like you are accustomed to doing something which is not very good? You can tell me. So because those habits also interfere your mind cycle, because IBS is all about your gut is experienced in gut, but it is felt here inside your head first, and then it starts to go in your, and you feel it in your gut. But it's much more than that. IBS is, I appreciate you for trying, listening other problems and conducting. Thank you man, thank you. Cool. Bring them on camera. Yeah, they actually on coming live, that is not a possible option. I'm not using the direct tool which can bring them, because if I have been using a tool that would have allowed them to come on camera, but I am doing a simple Facebook live that won't allow these guys to come on camera. So thank you Yogesh for suggesting that, but actually it's not going to work right now. I think I have a true friend. Your style is, oh, thank you sir, thank you very much. Yes, our styles match. So Rajkumar, let's discuss this more openly when I open this Zoom session for you 1 to 2 p.m. and to my dear friend 1 minute, Gulam also. Gulam, I know diarrhea is the most dreaded symptom in IBS, and if you are able to heal your IBS, for years it has been bolting and gas now, but now it has been a diarrhea. Okay, see, the gas problem is something most of people in this time today will have. So having gas is not a problem, but having uncontrolled diarrhea, having uncontrolled feeling of passing the air, not able to attend the meetings, not able to sit. I had experienced that stage that I was not able to sit for 1 minute. I was feeling so much bolted, like I was not able to focus. I had to do the coding, and I had to do the meetings with beautiful girls, and you think my half of my focus was always on my stomach. So how can I feel the confidence, man? Sunday I'm going to join you. Sure, man, come. IBS needs that damn killing of it. You need to have the josh, man. Live life joshful. Come join me, man. I will make you the josh. Thank you, Vishal. Yeah, it has been my positive side also and negative side also. I had a lot of suffered too because of that. Honestly expressing my expressions of belief in front of my leads also, that has previously put me in problem, but I continued to stay with that zeal in my life, and that has now made me the confident person that this is the way I'm going to express myself. And guys, if you want to heal IBS, you have to have this kind of energy, or your kind of energy, you want to have that. Yeah, welcome, you are Rajkumar. And IBS, you will find that there are many people who are giving sessions about IBS, and if you feel the fear on their face, if they actually had experienced that fear, then definitely if they talk about something, you can feel it is still on their face. But you feel like, because they have still the fear of having diarrhea, they cannot heal IBS permanently in their life. I also say I have not healed IBS permanently, but I have got rid of this diarrhea problem, and that makes you lot more confident, man, lot more confident than others. I bet you, if you have constipation problem, that will go, man. Don't have diarrhea, that is very good for you. I was sticking to this topic, like in many of the groups which I am part of, I added this question, and it has 11 options, and these people were telling their different symptoms, and most of the stats were around 1 and 2, having diarrhea and having diarrhea anytime. So there are many things which causes diarrhea. Yes, man, Vishal, yeah, you don't have to say, man, I'm your friend, man. You are my friend. I'm your friend. Allow me to meet you someday, man. Come to Delhi. Come to my place. Hey, Praveen, you also come to my place, man. Nah. So that is not a problem. Yes, we are friends for life. So basically, IBS needs, because people who are claiming that they have healed their IBS are actually still seem fearful. They won't bring you the solution, Ghulam. They bring you that vision. Like, they bring you that you do not have any problematic thing in your colon. Colonoscopy and endoscopy is just for checking if you are having ulcers, or having the like those what they call any cancer causing cells in your gut. So it is checking about your colonoscopy, is just checking that your colon is normal. It's not having any cancer inducing cell, and endoscopy is just for checking if you do not have any problems of ulcers in your body, because that is different kind of thing, and that can be healed with medicine. But there are many subtle things which a person needs to take care when he is healing the IBS. And I have told this in many of my sessions, that it is about your lifestyle, it is about your vibrations, it is about the place where you live, it is about your destiny. Sometimes you have to suffer because the destiny wants you to understand that what is the big picture of your life. Your big picture is not Rajkumar, man. Your big picture is not Ghulam, man. It's beyond that. And sometimes IBS happens in your life because you need to understand your big picture. Yes, Praveen, sure. Yeah, it's your home, man. It's always your home, and you are here still sticking to me. That's a great motivation for me. Thank you, man. You are a genius, man. And I also want to join your live. Come on live, and I want to see it. So this was about the IBS people, and basically I wanted to address that diarrhea symptoms are something they need to kill off from their body. There is attraction of your style and manner. You're doing great service to mankind, of course, man. And I want people like you, like in my life, and I also want to motivate you and stand for you every time you are doing the great service. Maybe I'm sorry if I was not able to support you enough, but thank you for here for watching my live still, and thank you, Praveen. I know you guys are very normal, and God grace you will have all the success in your life for whatever mission or vision you have. I have a mission or vision of healing people who are suffering from IBS, and